Welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing Ionic hair dryer. It has an 1800 watts of potency, and guys, it is very nice and portable, super lightweight. Also, you can bend it to make it smaller so that way it can fit anywhere you want, so you can take it in your travels. So it has 2 different speeds and 3 different temperatures that you can control right here. Of course, it comes with a hair diffuser for curly hairs like myself, and also you're gonna find this nozzle for straight hairs. And of course, to carry everything around with you, you're also gonna find this beautiful and gorgeous bag to transport everything, which also comes in a very nice dark blue color. So guys, I really hope you will enjoy this product, and I will see you next time. Bye.